Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So let's get right into this look for my birthday weekend. So first off, we kicked off my birthday with the New Edition concert. And by the way, I had so much fun. If you have not seen that concert, make sure y'all go check them out now, okay? That concert was amazing. So yeah, let's get right up into this look. I started off with this Cetaphil moisturizing lotion to moisturize my face. Now I'm going in with this P. Louise primer. And when I tell y'all this P. Louise primer is no joke, let me tell y'all, it is no joke. I use this to clean up my eyebrows all the time and it makes it super neat, and I use it to do my eyeshadow. Okay, so now I'm just gonna use my fingers to kind of blend out this primer because I like for everything to have like a smooth transition. And one thing that I noticed as I'm blending out this primer is that my fingers are really the truth. It really just blends out this primer. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my NYX brow pomade to shade in my eyebrows. And now I'm just adding more primer to prime out my eyes before I go in with my eyeshadow. So now I'm just gonna spray my brush with some Urban Decay spray. And I like to do this so that the highlight will pick up better, and then you can see it a little bit more on my brow bone. So now I'm just gonna go in with my Naked Heat eyeshadow palette. And this is like my favorite eyeshadow palette. I mean, I use this all the times to do my eyeshadow, and this is like for real my go-to. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go in with this NYX eyeliner pen to do my eyeliner. And the way that I like to do my eyeliner is I like to start in the back and then work my way to the front. And then once I have my front line, I like to connect it in the middle. And once I have my line connected, I like to go in with my pen and just shade it in. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go in with my orange color corrector to correct my face before I apply my foundation. Okay, and why didn't I realize I didn't have enough foundation in my bottle? Like, this is my birthday, come on. So I'm just taking the top off to apply my foundation, get whatever I could get out this bottle. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go in with this Fawn concealer and conceal my face. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take my blender and blend out this concealer. Okay, so now that my concealer is blended out, I'm just gonna go in with my banana powder just to set the concealer. Okay, so now I'm just taking my powder brush and brushing off the powder on my face. Now that I have all the powder off my face, I'm going in with my contour, and now I'm just gonna contour my face. And now I'm gonna add a little blush to my face just to give it a little bit of color. Okay, so now I'm going in with my highlighter just to make my face pop. And that highlighter is coming through, okay? And now I'm just gonna apply my lashes. Okay, so now that my makeup is completed, I'm going in with my Urban Decay setting spray, and I'm just gonna spray my face just to set my makeup. And that will complete this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And if you guys did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to shop at my store, learngiselle.com. Thank you guys. Mwah. See you later.